Bland phonics, the most effective way of delivering the 44 sounds of the English language. Reading is the key to education, and bland phonics is the key to reading. Yes. In this presentation, it's all about the long vowel, the single vowel I, making the I sound. Icon, I, I, k, ah, ka, con. Icon. Okay, icon is like a picture that shows you or tells you what to do. It gives instructions or it tells you what you can and what you cannot do. Like this one right here is a smoking icon. It says you can't smoke here. Okay, no smoking. This one here is a one that says be quiet, don't talk. This is a talking icon. It says no talking in here. Okay, this one here is running icon. That means no running. And this one here is a restroom icon. It just shows you where the restroom is. And you have a lot of icons on your computer. On your computers, like your play button icon, your pause button icon. Okay? Icons. Iron. I. I. Er. Er. Earn. Iron. O is silent. And you have an iron and an ironing board to iron your clothes. O is silent. Item. I. I. T. T. Tum. Item. Okay? Over there we can say, let's count all the items you have in your book bag. You have crayon and a pencil and a book. That's 3 items. And you got a tablet, an apple, and a ruler. That's another 3 items. So 3 plus 3 is 6. You got 6 items in your book bag. Good. Items. Idea. I. I. D. E. D. Dear. Idea. Okay, ideas like when the light go off in your head and you get a better idea, a better way of doing things. Okay, the little boy say, I got a good idea for the science project. Let's do a science project on frogs. And then the little girl say, no, 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 no. I got a better idea. Let's do our science projects on the planets. The planets. The little boy said, that's a very good idea. We'll do our science project on the planets. Idea. Ivy. I. I. V. E. V. V. Ivy. Okay, the lady name is Miss Ivy. She's a school teacher, Miss Ivy. I space silent E can also make the I sound. The silent E tells the I to make the long I sound I and not the short I sound I. I. 5. F. I. 5. 5. 5. E is silent. The clock says 5 o'clock. The number 5. Fine. F. I. Fine. 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 E is silent. Okay, you see the detective there? He's trying to find his treasure. He's trying to find the treasure. Okay, let's help him out. Okay, there's his treasure right there. He found his treasure. 9. N. I. 9. 9. 9. E is silent. The clock says 9 o'clock. The number 9. Smile. Sm. I. Smile. 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 E is silent. See the yellow one up top? That's the smiley face, the one up top. The one on the bottom is a sad face, a sad face. Smile face, sad face. Like. L. I. Like. 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 E is silent. Okay, thumbs up, thumbs down. Do you like apples? Thumbs up. Yes, I do. Do you like eggplants? No, I don't. Do you like grapes? Yes, I do. Do you like bananas? Thumbs up. Yes, I do. Do you like okras? Thumbs down. No, I don't like okras. Do you like green peas? Thumbs up. Yes, I like green peas. Ride. I. Ride. 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 E is silent. Okay? You ride the school bus to school. And you get home, you ride your bicycle. And you can also ride a horse. Ride. Okay. Y at the end of words can make the I sound. I. I. Y sounds like I. I. Fly. Fl. I. Fly. Fly. Okay, you see the eagle? The eagle fly high in the sky. Fly high in the sky. The eagle fly. Fry. Fur. I. Fry. Fry. Okay, you see they build a campfire and they frying some fish on the campfire. Fry some fish. Cry. Cur. I. Cry. Cry. Okay, see the little boy? He's crying. He's like, oh, he's crying. Okay, little kid. Okay, kid, stop crying. Why are you crying? I made a A. Wait a minute, you made an A? That's good. I wanted to make an A plus. Oh boy. Okay, okay, okay. Well, just keep trying. Just keep trying, and you'll make an A plus. Try. Tur. I. Try. Try. Okay, see that kid right there? He tried real hard, and guess what? He made an A plus. Good job. Good. Try hard. Try. My. M. I. My. My. Okay, you can say, I love my parents. I love my sister. My parents, my sister. My. Buy. B. I. Buy. Buy. Okay, see the lady? You say, she is sitting by the computer. She is sitting right there by the computer. Why? W. I. Why? Why? Okay, you want to know why the balloons flew up into the air? Because the balloon has helium in it. That's why. The helium makes the balloons float in the air. That is why the balloons is up in the air. IE can also make the I sound now. I, okay? Fries, fur, I, fries, fries, fries. Okay, you see the S make the Z sound. Zzz. Okay, you got a hamburger and some French fries. Fries. Dries. Der. I. Dries. 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 Okay, you can say wet clothes dries in the dryer. Ties. T. I. Ties. 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 Okay, you can say the lady she sat down and she ties her shoes before she go for a walk so she don't fall down and trip. Ties. Cried. Cur. I. Cried. 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 Okay, see the baby crying? You can say the baby cried for 5 minutes because he wanted his bottle. Cried. Dried. Der. I. Dried. 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 Okay, the washing machine, you wash the clothes in the washing machine, then you hang them out on the line outside to dry. So you can say the clothes dried in the sun. Dried. Pie. P. I. Pie. Pie. Okay, you got a pumpkin pie up top there, and you got a cherry pie on the bottom. Yum, yum. Tie. T. I. Tie. Tie. Okay, he tied a red ribbon around his finger. And up there is a blue shirt tie. Tie. Lie. L. I. Lie. Lie. Okay, see Pinocchio right there? Pinocchio told a lie, and his nose grew. So, a lie is something that's not true. Quiet. Qu. I. Quiet. 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 E. See that E right there? That E split away from the I this time. Okay? And the E went with the T. So the E made the short I sound. I. And with the T, it's go it. Quiet. Quiet. Okay, over there. The teacher is reading a book. Shh, shh. That means you must be quiet. Okay? And the little bear is in on the class. He must be quiet too. Okay? Because the teacher is reading a book. So you gotta be quiet. Shh, shh. IGH can make the I, I, I sound, but the GH is silent. It makes no sound. Bright, bur, I, bright, bright. Okay, you see the sun? The sun is very bright. That means it's shining real pretty. It's bright. Light, l, I, light, light, light. Okay, GH is silent. GH makes no sound. GH is silent. Okay, you see the light bulb there? A yellow light bulb shining very bright. Night. N. I. Night. 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 GH is silent. Okay, you see, like, and when the daytime the sun come out, but when the nighttime the moon come out and the owls come out in the trees. Night. Night. N. I. Night. 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 Okay, now you see GH is silent, but guess what? K is silent too. K makes no sound. GH makes no sound. And over there, you got two knights riding horses. Two knights riding horses. Right. I. Right. 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 Okay, you see the baby bear is on the right side of the road, and the mother bear is on the left side of the road. So you have right and left. Right. High. H. I. High. High. GH is silent. Okay, you see the eagle is flying high, up high in the sky, and the rabbit is down low on the ground. Thigh. Th. I. Thigh. Thigh. GH is silent. Okay, now you see the black arrow? The black arrow is pointing to the feet. The red arrow is pointing to the leg. The blue arrow is pointing to the knee. And the purple arrow is pointing to the thigh. Thigh. No child left behind.